Alright, hello, this is my Unit 3 video assignment, and I'll be analyzing this problem of a child who is flying a kite next to his mother. So, for part A, first I started by just doing an illustration with all the given info. So, the length of the string between the child and the kite is 100 feet, as you can see right here. And the kite is flying at an angle of elevation of 75 degrees with respect to the child. And the angle of elevation from the mother's perspective to the kite is 35 degrees, as you can see right here. And for this part, we're just trying to solve for the distance between the mother and the child. So I just marked it right here with X. Now, to actually solve the problem, I drew the situation as a triangle. And to find the missing angles, first I started with this angle right here. Since this is 75 degrees, we know that this needs to be 105 degrees so that both the angles added together will equal 180. And then if you subtract 105 degrees and 35 degrees from 180, you end up with 40. So that's how you get this angle. And now we have all three angles and one of the sides. So we can use law of sines to solve for this missing side right here. And using the law of sines, I set up the problem right here and ended up with 112.067 feet between the mother and the child. So that's part A. Now for part B, this time the length of the string is more than 100 feet and it's unknown. So I marked it right here as just X. And everything else has remained the same, except the mother is looking up at an angle of elevation of 45 degrees this time, but the distance between them is still the same. So to solve this problem, I set it up pretty much the same way as last time. I just made a triangle, and for the same reason before, this needs to be 105 degrees. And you subtract 45 degrees and 105 degrees from 180, and you end up with 30 degrees. That's how I got this angle. And again, you have three angles and one side. So you can solve for this missing side using the law of sines. And that's what I did right here. And I ended up with 158.486 feet as the new distance of the string. So that's the length of the string between the kite and the child. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.